Today we got a video from Street Law, and the title of the video is entitled "Shoplifter Refuses to Identify Herself Ends Badly."
On August 29th, 2025, officers responded to a grocery store after reports of a woman attempting to shoplift merchandise.
Did I grab two?
No, you grabbed one.
It looked like I grabbed two.
You moved them around.
I didn't move nothing around.
You grabbed your one.
Because you can't move nothing around with that one in front. Did I grab two? It's a little bitty bottle right there in front. So how did I move anything around? Let's play checkers and chess. But if you want to call the police, go ahead.
I mean, they're already here.
Hi.
Okay. Hey, let's go. Come on.
Hold on. Just hold on.
Come on. So,
What do you want done,
about
Chris?
this stuff? She said...
So, she did pay for the tea.
Okay.
Lemonade.
Actually, it's just
That, none of that was paid for.
do you got your receipt on
Where
you?
is that?
Where's
The
what?
camera for that.
That you didn't pay for that?
Do you got your receipt on you?
And since we added, let's see. I want to see all this for this too. Ooh. There we go.
That's paid for. That's
Okay.
paid for. You paid for this. I watched you pay for that.
Okay, and she said everything else. So she's solid. So I'm going based off her words and what I heard. I want to see that too. I want to see. She said for the stuff that you just have in your bag, that's right there where I can see. And what was she able to see? Because I reached and I reached again.
So you just got the buzz ball right now, basically, that you're debating.
She's got the buzz ball. She had the 3-hour movie here. And then the other stuff, I'm going to be honest with you, I'm not sure. I haven't had a chance to really go through the full footage of finding like the item there, the nail stuff, any of that. I mean, she's got a collection of things in her bag.
I hate when people do that. When they open stuff before they actually pay for it. I hate that. I ain't gonna lie. You see it a lot in like like your corner stores and stuff like that. Even in your bigger stores sometimes you see it, but I hate that shit.
That we don't have receipts for it.
Okay.
So I was navigating the footage, but you ultimately wanted to see the footage and ultimately trying to de-escalate any other circumstances and trying to, So
She doing too much moving.
What?
ultimately showing her the footage of,
Her, yeah.
yeah.
All right. Do you have an ID or anything on you?
No,
Can I get your name real quick?
I ain't got one.
Give me your name or you're going to jail.
Let's go.
So what's your name?
Oh, you think I'm playing?
What is your name?
I'm not telling
Why
you my
you
name.
want to be difficult?
You said, give me your name or we're going to jail.
Why don't you give me your name?
Come on.
What is your name?
I ain't got to tell you.
Why are you playing all these games? What is your game?
I ain't even got an ID, and I'm telling you the truth. Let's go.
Then what is your name? You don't have to give me an ID. I just need
I
your
ain't
name.
got to tell you my name. Let's go to jail.
Okay.
Hold on. First of all.
Stop.
First of all.
Stop.
Don't push my stomach.
Stop.
You just pushed my goddamn stomach.
Stop.
You just pushed my stomach.
Hey.
Get off my
Hit
stomach.
my radio.
Get off my stomach.
That side button.
Get off my stomach, G.
209. Can I get another one?
Get off my stomach.
Roll over.
Get off my
Roll
stomach.
over. Roll over.
You just pushed my stomach.
Roll over.
Come on, let's
Roll
go.
over. You want taste?
You got two. I want you to.
Stop.
Come on. Get off my stomach.
The roll over.
Take
Roll
me.
over.
Get off my stomach.
Roll over.
Get off my
Please
stomach.
roll
'Cause
over.
I can't breathe, you idiot.
Please roll over.
Get off my stomach, G.
Just roll over.
Get off my stomach. Get all the way off.
Roll over. I'm not on your stomach. I don't want to do this. Just roll
You
over.
just got on my stomach, G.
Just
And you
roll
pushed
over.
my stomach in the damn counter.
Ma'am.
You just pushed my stomach in the counter.
Ma'am, please.
You just.
Please stop.
These people got some serious issues, boy.
You just. Off my stomach.
Just roll
You
over.
just pushed my stomach in the counter.
I did. Because you wanted to resist me when you weren't going to handcuffs.
Ma'am, can you take your foot off there, please? Because I don't want that to fall down on you.
Oh, push my damn stomach. Get off. Oh, get off my ass too, G. Oh, my mama, get off. You tired? Get off my stomach.
Just roll over.
Get off my stomach. Get off of me.
Stop. Please stop.
Get off me. Y'all want to play today? I ain't got time to play out here with you.
I don't want to do this. Just roll over.
Get off my stomach.
Roll over.
Get off me.
Hey, sis.
Get off me.
Please roll over.
Just roll.
Get off of me.
Please roll over.
Get off my stomach.
Please roll over.
Get off me, G.
Please roll over.
G.
Hey, listen. Ain't shit gonna
Get off
happen to
me.
you. Just roll over the handcuffs.
Off my stomach.
Roll over, you're gonna get tased.
Tase me.
Roll over, you're
I
gonna get
want you
tased.
to.
Roll over.
It ain't even work on that taser.
Roll it over.
The general? I was gonna look up who's talking about.
Hey, just let them handcuff you.
You're gonna get
Come on,
tased.
baby. Hey, listen.
Tase me if you want.
Hey, it's
I
not
want you to, G. On Joseph Westmoreland.
It's not working.
On Sergeant G. I want you to. You talking about?
Not even working.
Tase.
Cover that thing.
I swear to God.
See, she talking all that, but she talking all that. She talking all that. Yeah, tase me. I want you to tase me. Yeah. But she is cooperating as far as her hands is concerned. She ain't doing all of that fighting like she was doing. So yeah, we see what's yapping at the mouth, but we see the body language though.
You talking about? Stand with me. Yeah.
2 or 3, 1 in cuffs.
It's fast you talking about.
You're in cuffs now. I don't need
I
to.
don't push up.
Hey, just calm
She's
down.
secured.
It's not even working.
You talking about?
You
Push
know
my
what?
stomach in that
I'm in
damn corner.
California.
And then you gonna sit on
No, I know her.
and then you gonna sit on the stomach you talking about.
No, I get it. I get it.
And you don't get
Yep. 1440.
you talking about, yeah, 1442.
You're under arrest.
No. You better tell me anything. What's my rights? Huh? You don't know anything else? More real. You better fuck.
Hey.
You breaking my arm.
Not breaking.
My arm is already broke.
Your arm's not
Hell
broke.
no, y'all not supposed to carry nobody like that. Let pressure off my. You breaking my arm. You breaking my arm.
I'm sorry.
I got her.
You breaking my
I
arm.
got her.
Hey, sis, chill out.
Relieve pressure off my arm. Can get it. Fuck you.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
You.
Get in the car.
You gonna push my stomach in that thing.
Yeah.
Little feisty thing, man.
You know what? You guys did a good job, man. Seriously. Seriously. Seriously.
Hi. I don't have her name or anything, so
Beat your ass back home.
can you just stay here? He says I'm break my squad car. All right. Can you just tell me what happened? Like why you got called?
Saw her in our department.
Yep.
She had a lot of luggage, so I was trying to keep my eye on her. She grabbed a bottle of the 3 Olives vodka off the shelf
Okay.
and then walked with it out of the department. So I just kind of followed her out, and she zigzagged through the aisles, and then eventually made her way up to the registers and paid for juice.
Okay.
She didn't pay for the bottle. She had to put it in her purse.
So that was in her like almost like a book bag.
It was in like a large tote bag. Kind
Okay.
of, that was on the back of her
Oh,
luggage.
the one in the back of the luggage. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So it was in that, and then that's when you.
She checked out with her juice, and then she left, and that's when I came up to her and asked her if she had a receipt for the bottle. And then she started arguing with me. She's like, well, what about all this other stuff in my bag? And she started pulling out things. And I said, I didn't ask you about any of those things. I just asked you about the bottle. And then she just kept arguing with me about the other things in her luggage in her bag.
Okay.
And that's when I called Chris over.
Okay. All right. And then he took over from there. They were back here, and then I showed up.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have an ID, or can I just get your name really quick?
Yeah.
I can just get your name. That's okay. All right. So she was in there, all of her bags. Keep an eye on her. And then where did she check out at? Did she check out on this side, or?
It was over here.
It was over here. Okay. And you saw that in her bag?
Yes.
Okay. Did you happen to grab it and take it back, or?
I did.
You did?
It? Yeah.
I was gonna take a picture of it real quick.
Okay.
All right. And it was that bottle.
This bottle, yeah.
Okay. And I'm gonna say which where was it over here? Right there. Okay. And where do you guys keep your buzz balls?
Actually, no. They're at that. We moved them because of theft.
Okay. I just wanted to take a picture of where they were. Was she over here?
I didn't see her take any of the buzz balls or anything else. I just saw her in the vodka aisle taking the bottle with her. That's the only thing I questioned.
So the one that she had could be from somewhere else,
It could be possible,
but
yeah.
she at least, she's being suspicious, and for sure the bottle.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't even know what kind of crumbs or whatever I got on me. That's kind of gross. Yeah. Okay. So I'll call if I need anything. Is that your personal phone number you gave me? Okay. All right. Thank you. Oh yeah. That's what she was putting everything in. Not much. She just had a bottle of vodka, but she was toting it around with her. So. You enjoy the rest of your night.
I'm supposed to leave up.
The woman was charged with retail theft, battery on a law enforcement, obstructing and resisting arrest. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.
Yeah, this is unbelievable. Unbelievable. See, we see this part right here where, she talks a big game. Honestly, she talks a big game. But the cop got to stand on business. He got to stand on business because he said, well, you going to lock me up? Whatever. You going to give me your name or I'm going to lock you up? And then she goes, well, take me to jail then. Come on, give me your name. Give me your name. Come on, man.
I ain't got to tell you.
Why are you playing all these games? What is your game?
I ain't even got an ID, and I'm telling you the truth. Let's go.
Then what is your name? You don't have to give me an ID. I
ain't got to tell you my name. Let's go to jail.
Okay.
Let's go to jail. Oh.
Stop.
Oh, boy.
Stop.
Don't push.
See? That's that, man. Yeah, damn. But anyways, yeah, this is just crazy. It's always suspicious when somebody start opening up, eating things in the grocery store already and stuff. It's like, nah. So yeah, that's about it, man. I ain't got nothing else to say, man.